on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back again with another great video. So this is a video that I've been wanting to put together a long time ago, but I never really got a chance to do it. This video is going to be really helpful for all my Shipt shoppers out there. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get more orders. You know, I've been looking online. I've seen a lot of people with the same complaints about Shipt, that there's not really a lot of orders out there. You know, some days are slow, and in this video, I'm going to show you something that you can do to get more orders. I'm talking about alcohol and prescription RX orders. Believe it or not, a lot of people don't know about this. Unfortunately, Shipt don't just automatically give you prescription orders or alcohol orders. It's something that you have to sign up for. You have to go to the Shopper Hub, you have to do a test, and pass that test in order to qualify for these type of orders. I was like 7 months in Shipt before I even found out about alcohol and prescription orders. I signed up for alcohol orders already, but the prescription orders I have yet to sign up for. And in this video, I'm going to do a step-by-step and walk through how to sign up for those alcohol and prescription orders. The reason why I haven't signed up for prescription orders yet is because I wanted to wait until this video came out so I could do a step-by-step to show you guys exactly what to do. So basically we're doing it together. To sign up for alcohol and prescription orders, you want to go to the Shopper Hub. So you want to go into Shipt Shopper app, click that 3 menu icon, go to help at the bottom, click Shopper Hub. Next you come down to services and certifications. Click learn more actually. And first you're going to go to certification services and click alcohol delivery. Then you click delivering orders with alcohol. So this is going to give you basically instructions of how to make alcohol deliveries, and you want to go ahead and read this, but I already did this, so I'm just going to go down. And it's going to tell you that you need the ID verification at delivery because you have to scan your ID. And this is going to show you the instruction how to do it. So before getting started, you want to make sure you read all of this. You know, come all the way to the bottom. I already did this, so I'm just going to go to the bottom. So, and then make sure you actually read it because they're going to test you and you're going to have to pass that test. So once you're done reading everything on this page, come down to the bottom and you want to click deliver alcohol in different states. Then go down here, find your state, and it's going to say below your state. So let's say you live in Florida. It's going to say to take the certification course for delivering alcohol in Florida, click here. It's going to say welcome to Shipt Passport. You want to enter your name and enter the email address that you use to sign up for Shipt. Okay, so for me, it's a course progress 100% complete because I already did it. But in your case, you're just going to start over. You're going to click start to start the course here, or what they're going to ask you questions about, so you have an idea. Once you're done, it's going to give you the certificate, and then you'll start receiving those alcohol orders. So now, let's go to prescription. So for prescription, it's going to be here. We could do it like this way. Go back to the Shopper Hub. Go back certificate and services. Services and certificate. Certification services. Prescription delivery. The first one, in which metros does Shipt offer prescription delivery, RX orders. And go all the way to the bottom and click prescription delivery, FAQ. And say, how do I claim prescription delivery orders? To get certified, complete the online prescription course. So you're going to click this. You could also go to this website here, shipt.schoolkeep.com, and that's going to bring you directly to that website, so you don't have to access it from the Shopper Hub. You could just go to that website here. So let's say pick up where you left off. So it looks like I actually started doing a prescription delivery certification already, but I never finished it. And I'm going to go through everything. So scheduling, prescription delivery, and make sure you read all this because they're going to test you and ask you questions based on everything that you went over. For this example of the video, I'm just going to go next. Okay, so these are the questions. So I'm about to answer these questions in a little bit, and once I'm done, I'll come back to the video. So I just completed the quiz. It was fairly easy. It's 10 questions, and for the questions you get wrong, they give you the right answer so you can retake it as much time as you want. Once you're done, so Shipt will start giving you alcohol orders and prescription RX orders. What's going to happen is that you're going to have more orders to do and choose from. Because before, you weren't qualified for those alcohol or prescription orders because you never did a test. So now you're going to see that there's more opportunities in your metro. So this is a great way to get more orders when things are slow. Let's say it's a slow day for groceries. Now you're able to do some alcohol orders or prescription orders when things are slow. You never know, maybe you enjoy doing alcohol orders and prescription orders even more than you do those grocery orders. And for me personally, I like alcohol orders because it doesn't have to be 100% alcohol. Because there are times when I went to Target and the customer had, let's say, 10 items and there were 1 bottle of wine, and that alone marked that order as alcohol. So before, I wouldn't even qualify for it, but now, you know, because I did a quiz and I signed up, I'm able to do that alcohol order. Now that's it for this video. It's just something quick that I just wanted to shed a little light on. I want to thank you guys for watching my videos and showing love to the channel. I did just reach 1,000 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you guys, and like this video and leave a comment and tell me about your experience with prescription orders. Personally, for alcohol orders, I like doing alcohol orders because the customers usually do give a good tip.